Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Man, this is a right frickin' early video. I mean, seriously, I just got done with my morning shower a little bit ago, and I figured it's about time to bring this product to the channel. So stay tuned after we roll that intro, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Savage Heart's Valkyrie soap. Hey, there we go. Okay, so the camera's already screwing up. You know, for those of you who are familiar with my channel, that is nothing new to anybody. But for you first-time viewers on my channel, I want to take one moment this early morning just to address you guys. First of all, I want to say welcome and thank you so much for finding this video. Look, I know there's tons of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, look right down below here. You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. Should bring up subscribe, and you want to knock it out the way. Well, you know, here's a big reason. All right, let me sell the channel for just a moment, then we'll get into this. We're growing, we're having a lot of fun, and we do things really differently here. I really want you along for the ride. That way I don't drop out of, like, your YouTube timeline. Seriously. All right, guys. So this review is going to be different than any other one we've ever done before. And I'm going to get to that here in just a moment. Like I said, we're going to take a look at Savage Heart. It's a sister company of Chesapeake Beard Co, which is very, very familiar to this channel. Here's a little hint. Look up top. You're going to see a card for every single beard care, skincare, hair care product we have ever brought to the channel. You go find a lot from Chesapeake up there because, man, early morning, wow. I love what they're doing over there. Okay, so as you can see, it says Beard and Body Bar. Now, we'll get to all the good stuff. There's the ingredients, and yeah, I knew it was going to do that, so forgive me. It's getting a little warm down here. I got to turn that little air conditioner on, so you're going to hear that in the background. Camera just took a dump. So as I was saying, there's the back of the pack with all the good ingredients and some other info on it. Now, here's the reason this is totally different than any other review we've ever brought to the channel. Oh, if you didn't catch it on the front, it's a 5-ounce bar. Okay. Savage Heart right now is currently not on Chesapeake Beard Co.'s web store where I found them. They are going through this big refit, redo, readjust, regroup. They're basically tearing up their business, starting over from fresh and getting everything all brand new, pretty, and wonderful. But when I got it, I got one of those, which I think is really freaking cool. Not to mention their business card. Wow. And there's that on the back. Now, as you saw on the back of this, Marcus Hart is the owner. And I can't find a lot of information about the company. I just can't. I went looking for Savage Heart by itself, and it brought me right to other YouTube, channels. I couldn't really find a web store for Savage Heart itself. And I'll be honest with you, I really hope after trying this one, because I've bought 4 bars total from them, not of the same one you're seeing today, but 3 different ones other than this one. I really hope they come back soon because I am just blown away by this one. As you saw, the smell is Tctbnl, and excuse me, it's currently the one up in my shower, so forgive me. As you can see, there's remnants from today. Sorry about that. I love the fact it just looks like a big, seriously oversized hockey puck. I mean, really. It lathers up beautiful. It cleans like you wouldn't even believe. I mean, just seriously, if you've never used beard soap, that's okay. Before I started using it on my channel, I had no idea it even existed. Basically, get your man wet, get your soap, and start working it in. That's it. And then you just start, if you've got one of those, what is it, the G-Man scrubbers, you can use one of those, use your fingers, get in there. It really gets down deep and cleans. It's got really a light stripping feel to it. First couple times I used it, I had to be careful because I think I was overdoing it, and my beard felt really dry. And as far as I can tell, there's no pine tar in here. So, yeah. But it's okay. All soaps are handmade and produced for Savage Heart, Beard and Body. That's cool. I love how they say, you know, with Valkyrie, it's a Tahitian vanilla essence aimed to please the rugged skin of warriors and goddesses alike. Okay, so I honestly think I paid between 10 and 15 bucks for that soap, which seems to be a really going rate for every single beard soap that I've, you know, brought to the channel so far. It's wonderful. I really love it, and I really hope it gets back online soon because I'd like to stock up more of it. Like I said, this is a weird review because I can't give you much about the owner. I can't give you much about the company. I can't even point you to where to go buy it other than please keep checking ChesapeakeBeardCo.com. Or Chesapeake Beard. I know they went through a switch. I believe it's Chesapeake Beard. Sorry. I'll get it perfect down below in the description box. Also, if you're going over to Chesapeake Beard, do a little shopping. I'm going to try to leave it right up here. There's a little code that you can use, save yourself a little bit of money. It's Chris10, and the C is capital. I'm going to leave the code right up there. Yeah, it's an affiliate code, but let's get honest. You're helping yourself, and you're helping the channel. So I make a very insignificant amount of money on that. But every single bit I make goes right into my channel to bring in new product, and hopefully we've got some new lighting on the way so I don't have to depend on, well, this little stand-up thing I have right here. I'd like to get those two little blinding things, you know, right back in the corner, but I'm getting off track. It's a great soap, great company with Chesapeake Beard Co. I've never known Gary to align himself with something stupid, and if something doesn't work, they either fix it or they just scrap it and move on. Like I said, I talked to Gary. He says they're going through this big revamp and redo process, and I really wish them luck, and I really hope it gets really speedy for them because I want them back on that site to get more product from them. But there we go. It's weird. It works. It's an amazing bar soap that you can use for your body and your beard. I primarily use it for my beard just because I really like how it feels, and I like how it cleans, and I like how it gets stuff done. But there we go. I'm sorry guys, this one, I've got 4 bars, and they are now up in the rotation for beard soap, so I need to review them. And here's the review. But here's the most fun part of the video for me. I know this one's going to get me lit up, and I just don't care. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. I want to know, have you used Savage Heart before? Have you had great success with them? You know, your feelings about Chesapeake Beard Co., because I will tell you point blank, I love them. Veteran-owned company that busts its butt for customers. I've told Gary this before. His service to this nation got my respect. His customer service, his product, and how he treats everything, that got my loyalty, and that keeps my dollar going right back to Chesapeake Beard. But we're going to do a little wrap up now, because like I said, this one's weird. It's really, really weird compared to all the other reviews that I usually do. So I hope you guys can bear with me on this one, and we'll get through it together, right? I know. It's early. I'm trying to get this review, and I don't think I could have done it any better if I had 4 cups of coffee and it was 2 in the afternoon. But a few first-time viewers of the channel who didn't do it at the beginning of the video. Wow, I got really ahead of myself. A few first-time viewers of the channel, once again, I want to say thank you so much for viewing, you know, this video. Look, I know your time is your most precious commodity. I'm very, very grateful you're giving me some of it really this early in the morning on September 18th at 05:15 my time. I've been up since 03 and I'm dragging butt right now. But still, the fun life of a YouTuber, you gotta get your reviews out, right? But a few first-timers who didn't do it at the beginning of the video, and you long-time viewers who have yet to do it as well. Look right down there in that corner. Yeah, I think it's that corner. Gonna be a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's gonna bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? You know what? That's a great question. Because by clicking that little bell icon and getting all those notifications, it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up, you know it, over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick, weird review of Savage Heart's Valkyrie Beard Soap. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great day.